There it is. Yes, ma'am. There
Ow.
it is. Yes, ma'am.
That feels good.
Drop the left.
Oh, wow. That one was loud. Oh, that was a good one. That one was better than last time, too.
Better than the last time?
Oh, my goodness.
So your session was better this time, I guess.
No, they both was good. Oh, man. Shit.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and stretch your neck, okay?
Okay.
Alright. I want you to breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Yeah. How did that feel?
Like a stretch.
That's lit. Perfect. Once you do it again, we're gonna breathe in. And breathe out. Right there. Go and breathe in. And breathe out. Mm-hmm. And go a little further, breathe in. And breathe out.
I feel like it's hard to breathe.
Mm-hmm.
You make me want to hold your body.
You good.
This is the hair straight.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, let's do this side again. Breathe in. Yes. Stretch the legs out, okay? We're gonna breathe in. And let it go. Alright, we're gonna breathe in again. And release it. One. That's one. How did that feel?
It feels good.
We're gonna breathe in again. And you're gonna let it go.
You feel like my hip about to fall.
Yeah, what?
I feel like my hip about to fall out.
That's it. I'll breathe in. And breathe out. Now I'm gonna stretch out your quads and piriformis, okay?
Okay. And the what?
Piriformis.
What is that?
The piriformis is the muscle that's like right up under here, okay?
Okay.
Alright. I want you to breathe in. And release.
Come on, dude.
You feel that sharp? That's good. Perfect. This one. And man.
I feel like you about to crack my back.
You know what? I don't do those. That's the other guy for.
Yes.
So we're gonna do it together, okay?
Okay.
Yes, we want to straight up. Glutes is always down. Left hand straight up. We're gonna do it together, right? And 1, 2, and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stop.
Alright, so we'll do it again. We'll do it a little bit more smoother for the camera. Hands right here. Alright, go ahead, stretch out. Okay. Pull back up slowly. Alright, good. Alright, we're gonna do it one more time, okay?
Okay.
Straight up, 1, 2, 3. And let your head, and let's go. That's 1, 2, 3, and this one. So the next one, cat dog pose. Alright. So go ahead and look at my back. We're gonna curve our back all the way in like this. Are we arching it? Then we're gonna bring it all the way up.
Oh, like yoga.
Yeah, yoga.
Okay.
Go ahead, you rest. And then arch it down.
Oh, wait, what is that?
So we're gonna arch it all the
I
way
can
in.
put my
We're gonna
head
arch it
up,
all the
right?
way up.
Okay.
Arch it all the way in, put our head up, arch it all the way back, put our head in.
Okay, right.
Here we go.
I do it.
Yep. That's money.
Ouch.
1, 2, 3,
That hurt.
4. Okay, go straight into the top one. That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, one more time.
You are set. Perfect. Hey guys, at the Clerge, your DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Lex. So you said you can't wait to get.
Crack.
How did the first one go? The
It
first.
went good.
They went pretty
I
good.
feel good afterwards.
So you back for more.
And I'm not again.
We did the stretches, a lot of hip stretches because the hips were tight, lower back, neck,
Mhm.
mid back. How did those go?
They feel good.
Not too bad?
Mhm.
Okay, so we already did the range of motion, so we'll just go ahead and get started, okay? So we're gonna start with your lower back first, all right? I'll have you on your side facing this wall. Head goes in the groove, perfect. I'm gonna hold onto your arm. That's good. Bring your lower back a little bit closer to me, perfect. Bring the top up a little bit. And I'm gonna reach in like this. Good. Straighten this leg out. Good. Bend this leg for me. So what you're going to do, you're going to hold onto the arm and you're going to loosen this part up, okay? Good. All right. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Relax. Good. Let's go to the other side.
Okay.
Good. There you go. You got the position already. Perfect. Good. Relax. Take a deep breath. Let it out. There it is. Yes, ma'am. Felt that one, right? Perfect. Okay. Let's have it sit up. Good.
That feels good already.
Feel better already, right? Let's see here. Okay. Let's Let's do it a little bit different this time. So, when I tell you, you're going to put your hands behind your head like this, okay? Perfect. So, you're gonna raise both arms up, interlock your fingers behind your head, go underneath your hair. Good. And I'm going to fit my hand to this space here. Good. And right here. There you go. Good. Drop your whole body on me. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Relax. Good. One more time. Deep breath. Out. Relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am.
That feels good. Yeah.
You always clap afterwards, too. Any pain with that?
Mm-mm.
No pain. Okay. All right. I'm gonna rotate your head. Drop your head in the palm of my hand like this. Good. Relax for me. Good. Drop the left.
That is so funny. I feel good.
Any pain with that?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. I mean, I always ask it. Any pain?
Mm-mm. No, it don't hurt.
Because people think it's painful. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Let's go to the other side. Same scenario. Move your head away a little bit. All right. Bring your head this way. Drop your head in the palm of my hand. Relax your body. Good. There we go. Good. Relax a little bit more. We want your head to go more lateral.
Oh, wow. That one was loud. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, wow. That was good. That one might have been better than last time. Oh, my goodness. Yes.
Any pain?
No.
Good.
That was good.
All right, so stand up. We're gonna clean the table, and I'm gonna have you face that. Don't move your head and neck. I'll move it for you. Good. Relax. Good. Let's get to the other side. Any pain?
Mm-mm.
No pain. All right. Over here. Same scenario. Just relax for me. Relax, relax. Good. There we go. Perfect. Any pain with that? No. All right. Get up. Move around. We're going to do the white strap next.
Okay.
How do you feel so far?
I feel fine.
Not too bad? How's your neck? That last adjustment was really loud?
Yes.
That one, yeah.
That last one.
Not too bad?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Good. There you go.
Want me down now?
And just lay back down. Yep. Put this underneath your legs. That'll help with lower back. You can actually slide down a little more. A lot more, actually. Perfect. Right there.
What y'all eating? It smell good in here. Somebody eating?
Okay, so I will do a few pulls first, okay? And then you let me know how it feels. How does that feel?
Like a stretch.
Like a stretch.
on my neck.
But no pain, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay. All right. I want you to take one big breath for me. Let it out. Good, good. Let that go and relax. One more time. Are you comfortable? Your hands comfortable? Take one big breath. Out.
Oh, man. Shit. That was better than last time, too.
Better than last time?
Oh, my goodness.
So your session was better this time, I guess.
No, okay, no. No, they both was good. This back strap one,
Well,
I feel
yeah.
like it cracked
Everything.
everything.
Yeah.
I don't want to move.
Well, when
Oh my god, I feel like my ears is about to pop off.
when you're cursing, that's a good sign.
Oh my goodness.
Let me take this off first.
What, this right here?
That side you come up. There you go.
Oh,
Good. And the table down.
that feels so good.
All right.
That made my back feel good.
Feels good. Stand up, move around. Let me know how you feel. Should feel loose.
Feels good going to the club tonight.
You gonna club?
Feels good. Yes,
Not too bad.
my back feels a lot better.
So now we're going to do massages.
Okay.
So it'll be for the neck, upper, mid, lower back. Okay?
Okay.
Nice seeing you again.
Thank
You
you.
got it. And then Josh will take over.
Okay.